guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing of my package which I received from Amazon. So today there won't be any makeup, any skincare, no more cooking, but something different. I got some tech gadget and I wanted to show you guys, so I thought why not just unpack it together like an unboxing video. So here's the package. I'm not gonna turn the other way around because that's where the address and everything is written. So I got this package today in the morning and was waiting eagerly to show you guys what is it. I have sanitized this just to show you. It's all sanitized, but then I still have to sanitize what is inside it. So I'm gonna cut it now. Here we go. So it's still a surprise for you guys that what I got in this package. And here we go, guys. So I got a stylus, and this is not an Apple stylus because Apple is way expensive, and right now I don't own any Apple gadgets. My mom is using Apple. I am still an Android user. I'm not a big fan of Apple, and it's expensive too. So this is a good dupe which I got from Amazon. Its name is, if you can see, Joyroom Stylus pen, and it is used for iPad, it's used in your laptops, it's used for in your smartphones, any devices where you can touch and write something, draw something, you can use this. And the reason I got this one specifically because it doesn't need to be charged. That's one of the best thing. And it doesn't have a Bluetooth connection or anything. It just works with the help of this little tip, the disc tip, if you see. So let's get going. Let's open this. So I'm gonna clean this. And let me clean my hands too. Let's go. So one thing, guys, before you touch any package which is arriving, maybe through Amazon, maybe through any of the services you have, any courier, any post, any delivery, keep it for 24 hours or sanitize it before opening, and sanitize even the product inside because you don't know how many people might have touched it. Just to be safe than to be sorry. So let's start opening it. So it says easy to use it anytime without charging. It also says magnetic pen cover, and then 180-degree tilt. So you can just tilt your hand and write on this. On the back it says smooth painting, imported conductive silicone soft material, painting, writing, games and other processes. Do not hurt the screen. Use accurately, transparent disc tip, more accurate positioning, does not affect the thickness of the line. Super adaptation, suitable for all Android and iPhone, smartphone, touch, capacitive screen devices. Convenient with the pen cover and sticker. Okay, cool. So this sounds interesting. And when I was buying this, it says that it comes with a palm rejection glove. So I'm very excited to see if I got that one or I have to buy it separately. So let's begin. So here we go. Here's the box. Aha! Okay, it looks, this is the glove. And get your prices at $30 at most. Okay, it looks like a QR code. It's customer service and 12 months warranty. Nice. I have to check it out. Interesting. The other thing we see, I think this is the glove which they talk about. So thank God I don't need to buy this. I thought I have to buy this and I won't be able to write it, but I was still a little bit skeptical before ordering it. Aha! Okay, it's one among those gloves. I think, yeah, 2 fingers there. Oh, sorry, I have to put the whole hand. And then 2 fingers right there. Here we go. I look like those pirates with one eye patch. It's just the eye patch and I have 2 fingers. Haha. Nice. And the next thing is the pen. This looks interesting. I'm trying to take it out. Okay. So here is the tip. Here is the tip. Okay, this is supposed to be the lid. Guys, if you can see, this is a magnetic lid. So if you just keep it this way, it just goes automatically. And there's supposed to be an extra tip. I think I can see it. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can see the tip right there. So this looks good. And I think this part is even magnetic, so you don't lose while writing. It is magnetic. So if this thing is lying around, you can just pick it up. I know this is crazy. You guys can do it this way. Okay, so let's try with the device. Let me get my laptop, which has a 2-in-1 touch screen, and I'll show you guys how it works. So guys, I have my Dell laptop ready for writing, and I am using OneNote on Windows 10 because this is a Windows laptop, and I wanted to show you guys how I write my notes. So all my notes are here in my laptop, and I wanted to see this draw feature, which we had it for the very longest time, but I was not able to use it because I didn't have this. So let's try. So they have a pencil, a highlighter, or eraser. So you can see a pencil right here, a pen, and you can put number of pens according to the colors you want to set it, and then highlighters and an eraser. Okay, select this pencil right here, and then I want to select this, maybe let's go with the black first, and then a medium thickness. And let me write and see. Ooh. I love this. Let's try using some pen. Okay, let's try using the eraser. Then with the pen. This has a galaxy look. I really like this. And then let's go to the highlight of a yellow highlighter selected. Nice. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Let's try something with paint. Here we go. Let's try doing something with paint. Let me see, P. Here we are with the paint. And let me select some brushes. So let me try with a pencil, maybe a thickness of this size and black color. Let's see. Ooh. Let me try with the brush. What about an ink pen? I love all of this. I'm so crazily happy about this. I like that it goes all the way down, so you don't have to be worried about tilting it the other way or something. I really like this tip, and it's a good budget-friendly one. So maybe sooner or later I might show you how I'm using this pencil in my daily life. Guys, I'm also trying to show through my phone because my phone has Samsung Notes, and I want to see how this pen writes on Samsung Note. So maybe the alignment of this video would be somewhere weird. So let's start. So I have Samsung Notes open on my screen. What I'm going to do is select the pencil right here, and then I'm going to write something. Wow, honestly, this is way better than OneNote. My feelings. And I can just scroll. Okay, here I go. If I go to new page, never used Samsung Notes, so not sure how to go about the next page, but let me try using the highlighter. And And is there an option to select colors? Okay, if I click on this, I can select colors. Let me select, no, since it's pink, I'm gonna use select this. And I don't know if I can increase the, oh, here we go. We can increase the thickness right here. So let's see. Wow. This touch and sensitivity of a Samsung Note is way better than OneNote. Maybe my laptop is a 2016 model and my phone is a new model. So I'm not sure. But I feel like this is way easier than writing on the laptop. So maybe this is an indication that this is the time I need to change my stuff, my laptop and everything. So guys, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. Your subscription will really help me to get you new content and more interesting one. So goodbye and take care, stay safe, bye bye.